Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to enable guild invites on Bleach Brave Souls. To enable guild invites on Bleach Brave Souls, launch open the game first and then go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. From the settings menu, tap on Options. Inside Option, make sure that you choose General and scroll down until you see Allow Guild Invites option. Simply toggle the button right next to Allow Guild Invite and make sure that it is turned on. After you do that, click on Close and then that way you will be able to enable guild invites in the Bleach Brave Souls account. You can now go ahead and invite your friends to your guild, and that is how it's super easily done. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.